Welcome back to Color Class. I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
And today we're talking best mascara shade for your eye color. All right?
We are. But I think that the revelation in this video is this mascara that Sarah taught me about that has changed my life.
Well, it changed my life too, because if you are not using tubing mascara, then I don't know what you're doing. I absolutely love tubing mascara. And you're probably thinking, what is tubing mascara?
I know I did.
It literally coats around your eyelashes. So when you take off your mascara, they come off in little tubes. I will say, when I first took off my makeup, the first time I used tubing mascara, I thought I had lost all of my, I thought my eyelashes
had fallen off.
Gone. I was so panicked. But no, it literally coats around your eye and it dries and it comes off in a little tube. Now, if you are somebody that gets like raccoon eyes or your mascara flakes throughout the day, I have tubing mascara on right now. That's why I can even do this and not worry about it. Tubing mascara is the greatest invention of all.
And let me tell you a problem that I have. I'm 68 years old and I use eye cream like it's water. I am just creaming up my eye area all day long, because it's an issue, and it will be more and more of an issue as I age.
And it is like the most delicate, sensitive, fastest to age area on you.
Now, before, when I used regular mascara, even waterproof mascara, because I was putting so many lipids under my eye, that's fat, that's oil, in order to keep it moist and keep it hydrated.
I'm sure it smudged.
It smudged instantly.
Right.
I would blink one time and I would get like owl eyes. But with this tubing mascara, it doesn't do that. It's kind of a miracle. I can use eye cream as much, even if I wore it to bed, which I sometimes do. After I put on a nice lipid, bunch cream around my eyes, it doesn't leave a smudge. And
not wear this.
I know. Don't do what I do. Don't do what she does. But the other thing is, the first thing when she taught me about this, I was like, but Sarah, I was trying to find a criticism. Do they have brown? Because sometimes I wear brown because I want my eyes to look blue. Yes, they have brown. Mom, they have aubergine, they have green, and they have blue. I was like, oh my God.
They have magenta.
Well, magenta.
They don't have aubergine.
Okay. And I said, well, can I layer this? Because if it makes a tube, because I have really short, stubby eyelashes. And I always layer my mascara 2-3 times. Yes, you can. It works. It just makes another tube and another tube and a longer tube. So she is right. She is absolutely right. It's life-changing.
Now, I did pick this brand because they do have a wide array of colors. And I use Thrive Cosmetics. You'll know, usually brands only have one, maybe 2 tubing mascaras. L'Oreal, they have a double-ended one that I use a lot too. But they only have it in darker, black, I think. I don't even think they make it in a black brown. And then Milani has one, but it's all the same colors. But Thrive Cosmetics came out with a tubing mascara that has a bunch of colors, which is really exciting for color analysts and somebody who absolutely loves tubing mascara.
Now, why do we need colors? Why do we need colors? What do the colors do?
Contrast, baby.
Yeah, and they actually, if you're looking at color theory and you want the irises of your eyes to look intense, you go to the opposite side of the color wheel and pick a color that's on the opposite side of the color wheel. So when Sarah and I have blue, green, gray eyes, she got my eyes. So when we want our eyes to look green, we use the deeper pinkish color that they have.
If we
magenta, dark, like a dark magenta. If we want our eyes to look blue, we use this brown color that's got a base. Now don't freak out because it's not orangey looking. It's just brown looking. But that orange base deep in the brown that you can't see makes your blue eyes look vivid.
Yes.
And It's amazing.
What are we missing? Well, gray eyes, sometimes I would pair with blue if I'm wearing blue that day. Mm-hmm. So it will do that as well.
And it'll make them look bluer, actually. Those of you who have brown eyes, what color should you choose? Well, you brown-eyed girls can use a lot of color.
Oh, yeah.
And let me just say that Thrive has an eye pencil that complements the mascaras in certain colors. So the Thrive, if you're using the pink, which you can use, they have a deeper pink liner, and that just intensifies the color. Like, oftentimes, if you're using a colored mascara, it only makes your eyes look more vivid, but nobody really notices that you've got color on your lashes. But if you really want to play up that color, and for you brown-eyed girls, I'd say absolutely do it. You can extend the color up into your lid with these shades that they have in an eyeliner. It's just fantastic.
They do have a really wide selection of eye pencils, and they even have like a warm brown, gray. There's a ton of colors. But strictly speaking of the mascaras, black, if you are a high contrast person, grab yourself black. And I would definitely recommend, if you have like kind of color shifting eyes.
Multi-eyes.
Yeah, I would go for, if you're like us, brown is definitely key to have. And then also the blue, if you have like a cooler, icier color. Not icy, I should say cool medium tone. Then I would go for the blue. If you have warmer, greener, browner eyes, you could also do the green.
Well, and if your eyes are blue, or what am I saying? If your eyes are brown, amber, any kind of brown, the green is spectacular for that. Now, you say, well, is it the color wheel? Is the color wheel working? Well, actually, if you have an amber eye, there are undertones of red.
Yes.
Deep in that iris. So what you're doing, you're playing off of complementary colors again, and the green makes that amber eye really pop.
So we hope this was informative. I know I am pushing any type of tubing mascara to you. All right. You can use any brand, anything. I'll have them linked down below, all the brands that I have used and loved. There's not a tubing mascara that I hate, but get on the tubing mascara train, because we are leaving the station soon.
Yeah, you'll be ahead of everybody. You'll be down the road, and everybody will be like trying to keep up with their smeary waterproof mascara, and they're trying to get it off.
For summertime, let me tell you, I have gone into the pool with tubing mascara. Now, you can't get warm water, like warm and wet, because the tubing mascara will come off. But there have been times where I get in the pool with my mascara and I totally forget. And all you do is, if you just get the slightest like warm water on it, when you wash it off, you can literally close your eyes, take your lash, and then open, and all of the mascara will come off right on you. And there's no scrubbing. There's no needing ridiculous eye makeup removers. No. And you literally just take what's left over and pick it up and throw it. So if you are interested, links are down in the description below. Don't forget, we are going to take this on over to Patreon.
And we're going to find out how many of our Patreon subscribers use tubing mascara and what they think.
I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm a ride or die for tubing mascara. Now, if you want to get a custom color analysis done by us, check in the description down below. Also, our socials are down there. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, blah, 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 everywhere. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Our goal this year is 50,000 subscribers. Now, I know we aren't even close, but it's only February, so we can get that, right?
It's a whole year.
Yes, we're going to hit our goals, right? So thank you for joining us today. Lastly, I'm Sarah.
I'm Lucinda.
This has been another color class, and we'll see you in our next video.